A thin solid disk of mass 1 kg is rotating along its diameter axis at the speed of 1800 rpm. By applying an external torque of 25 pi Newton meter for 40 seconds, the speed increases to 2100 rpm. The diameter of the disk is. So, the solid disk of mass m is equal to 1 kg. Mass is 1 kg and it is given a torque tau is equal to 25 pi Newton meter for a time delta t is equal to 40 seconds, and in that time the angular speed changes from 1800 to 2100. So, the change in angular velocity delta omega is 1800 minus 1800, that is 300 rpm. So, 300 rpm. So, delta omega is 300 rpm and 1 rpm is 2 pi by 60 radian per second. So, this is basically 606 into 5 is 30. So, 10 pi, delta omega is 10 pi radian per second. So, the change in angular velocity is delta omega. We have to find the diameter of the disk. Now, we know that torque is equal to rate of change of angular momentum. Now, angular momentum is I omega. So, change in angular momentum is I into delta omega. So, this is the change in the angular momentum. Angular momentum is I omega. So, I omega 2 minus I omega 1, that is I into delta omega. This is the change in angular momentum with respect to time, that is rate of change of angular momentum is delta omega by delta t. Now, I is basically half. So, I is for a here the given object is a disk. Now, we know that for a disk about its diameter is 1/4 m r square. So, I is equal to 1/4 m r square into delta omega divided by delta t. So, from here r square is basically 4 into tau, that is torque, 4 tau by m into delta t by delta omega. Now, put the values of all these. So, 4 into tau is torque is 25 pi divided by m is 1 kg, mass is given as 1 kg, delta t, that is the time interval is 40 second divided by delta omega, that is change in angular velocity is 10 pi radian per second. So, this is 10 pi. So, pi cancels, 1 0 cancels, this is 4 into 4, that is 16 into 25. So, r square. So, r is equal to root over 16 into 25, that is 4 into 5, 4 into 5, that is 20. So, the radius of the disk is 20 meter. Now, in the question it has asked the diameter of the disk. So, we have to find the diameter. Now, we know that diameter d is equal to twice of radius, twice r, that is 40 meter. So, the answer is 40 meter. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.